Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll shortly be explaining what Quora subscriptions are and how you can cancel them, so let's get right into it. Quora, first of all, is a website/social media service where you can post questions or answer the questions of other people, and where other people can answer the questions you have posted. Excuse me. And that is pretty much it. Similar to any other social media site or service, Quora also has some certain subscriptions which bring with them some certain benefits. For example, you have Quora Plus, which I am not very familiar with. However, it does have certain benefits to it, such as being able to view some certain posts which you might not be able to view normally, and etc, etc. You can also subscribe to several spaces on Quora, which is basically groups of people. It is quite analogous, I think, to Facebook groups, where people gather around, where people are versed in one or several similar topics, and create posts and questions and answers based on the general topics at hand. But yeah, without further ado, let me show you how you can cancel your subscriptions. If you go into your account and if you go into settings, you will be taken to your account settings, and here you have none of those options. However, to the left, if you go to subscriptions and billing, click on that, you will be taken to this screen where all of your subscriptions will be shown. As you can see, I am not subscribed to any subscription as of yet. However, let's say I was subscribed to Quora Plus, I could be able to click on some three dots that are shown here. That will open up a drop-down menu. Then just click cancel subscription and your subscription will be canceled. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.